Alright, so this is the third voltage divider or circuit I1II, and so we have the LDR and the 2 kilo ohm resistor switched, and as you can see, instead of lowering the brightness increases, which is what we don't want for the application that we want. And in this case, in dark conditions, we want the LED to turn on, and in light conditions we want it to turn off, which is what it isn't doing right now. And this is the PNP configuration of the circuit. Same effect. Has no effect.